宝物ありました、いっぱいあった。
まあ私は大体取った。あとは不要品
あれホースとかあれば。
何？
ホースナイフ。
あ、フォークナイフはいっぱいあった。一応一つで今持って帰って洗ってるから、それはシェアハウス持ってくる。
まあでもカツオは食えるかな。
カツオはこれは猫用だね。
そうなんだよ。Probably don't need whatever that is. Oh, there's a main door here. This one. That is very interesting. It's a bathroom. Probably not a shower. There's a bathroom. Probably don't have anything in there. All this stuff. Water. That is a lot of water. I'm gonna need lights to go through here. But we will get it done. Oh, yeah. Very nice. What the fuck? すごいんだけど。ドラムのダブルキック。
ダブル、キックだけ見つかったんだよ。ドラム自体はなかった。
へえ、すごいじゃん。There we go. Oh, yes. Yes. あれは別にいいんだけど。Okay, we've got our fashion selection for this house. Very nice. What's that? I don't know. Belt buckle. Excellent. We'll explore that later. No idea what that is, but let's do it. All right. There's the ever-present safe.